babe, I dey come. See the way say na babe, na in dey here now, they dey get you. Can't go small. Now, for here, 80% of, no, I won't say 80, like maybe 60% of the people where they work phones here and they sell phones are women on Naija. Showering up you. Freak, lazy, the kind girl and they can't learn this kind of work. You know how much they say this kind of things? And men go they come, go they give you work because if you're a woman, you can convert your fine girl to finances. Fine finance. This is your fine girl. That one your total no need to go through stress. Nothing like harder, no doggy, no missionary, no national anthem, no question, no. All these stars, they will not use it for you. All these ones, cash out, big time. Come on, they go, you go to see women. You notice, all people. As 80 piece, whether I talk 80, like 70, or more just two, small. You see women too. Let's take around. All these women, they wait for work. See this side. They only wait for their work to do. All this place is a very big place. Where they repair phones, they sell phones, second-hand phones, good phones. You understand? Women, see front line, women, it's everywhere. So, don't be only say, you be girl. It's either you dey sell hair, you know, or you dey sell clothes, you dey sell bed sheets. There are some things that you can make money from, where men they do. But una don't attribute and say now only men go do some certain type of hustle. For here, any hustle, so far say bring money, they dig in. Now guess what? I notice say for here, if you dash them money, they no collect. Just say you just carry money dash person. Even for market. Yesterday, one girl won't sell me one cleaner for leg. As I see the thing, I say I no want buy. The girl pressure me, I say I know they buy. I can't carry money, give the girl. The girl no collect. I give her, she no collect. So I come find and say for here, if you dash them money, they know they collect. They won't work for the money. They won't show their work for the money. So I beg, our Nigeria girl, don't stress it to work hard. Else you go and learn.